Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Snapchat story. It's super easy and quick, so let's jump into the video. First of all, update your Snapchat and open it and make a story and press story. Go to the profile and we can see here is our created story. And now I am showing you how to delete this story. It's super easy. Press three dot icon and here is our deleted option. So press delete and we can see our story is successfully deleted. So I think this video will help you. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.